Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to manage message notification settings on the Oppo A5x. Now to do that, just open the Messages app on your smartphone, then tap on the three dots at the upper right corner on the screen. Then tap on Settings, and from here you will find the option of Manage Notifications. Just tap on it, and from here you will find all the message notification settings on your smartphone. The first setting you will find on this page is Allow Notifications. Now, if you disable this toggle, you will turn off the notifications of the Messages app. But if you enable this toggle, you will turn on the notifications of the Messages app. After that, you will find the option of Silent Mode. And if you enable this toggle, you will silence the notifications of the Messages app. And if you disable it, you will disable Silent Mode on the Messages app. And after that, you can set how you want to see your notifications. For an example, you can enable or disable the notifications of the Messages app on the lock screen. And also you can enable or disable the banner when a notification comes from the Messages app. And finally, you have the option of app icon badges. And if you enable this option, a badge will appear on the app icon when you receive a notification. And finally, you have the option to ring when you receive a notification and to vibrate your smartphone when you receive a notification. And after that, you have the option to allow notifications even in Do Not Disturb mode. And finally, under Categories, you have the option of Message Notifications. And under Message Notifications, you can allow or disable message notifications on your smartphone. You can silence the notifications from here, or you can enable ringing when you receive a notification and to vibrate your phone when you receive a notification. Now, if you use Google Messages instead of Oppo's own messaging app, just go to your home screen and open Google Messages. Then tap on the profile icon and tap on Message Settings. From here, tap on Notifications. And once you do that, the message notification settings will appear on the screen. And you can control the message notification settings from here, as I have showed you earlier. And this is how you can manage message notification settings on the Oppo A5x. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.